Let's make no-bake granola bars. They're customizable and ready in 10 minutes. First, you're going to measure out 2 cups of oatmeal. Put that in your bowl. Then you're going to go ahead and grab your peanut butter. Make sure you measure out a half a cup. Once you get that all done, add that in. Now you're going to get some maple syrup. You can substitute this for honey. And that's 1/3 cup. Add that in. You're going to get some pure vanilla extract. It's a half a teaspoon you're going to add in. Then you're just going to put everything in the bowl and make sure you mix and incorporate all those ingredients really well. You can find all the measurements and nutritional facts on my blog and my website. I will have them listed there. I will also be listing a gluten-free version of this recipe. I added in some sliced almonds. I did about a half of a cup. That's optional. You can add those. At this point, you can add in other things too if you want to add in, some yogurt. We're also going to add just a pinch of salt here. I did about a half of a teaspoon. And again, incorporated that all in. Then you're going to go ahead and get your pan, put some parchment in it so you don't have to deal with the mess. And get that all put in there. Now at this point, I went ahead and tried to even out everything in the pan and then gently pressed everything down because I did want it to hold its shape. If you wanted to, you could add cranberries, you can add dried in fruit. This is a really versatile recipe. Here I'm adding in chocolate chips. And then you're going to put it in the fridge for about 30 minutes to an hour. Do know the longer you let it sit in the fridge, the better and firmer it's going to be. So then I just cut them up into little slices. And that's it. That's how you make granola bars. It's super simple and easy, and my boys really loved it. Make sure you check out my website so that you can get all the facts, and happy cooking!